only fuck with that hoe, white hoe, let's go. Hey, that's one type though. We was having sex, now she tryna burn hoe. Yeah, tell her, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh. She don't wanna have fun, so just let her. Shit up for the head, yeah, don't really hate her, don't be a, yeah, what? And I only fuck with dead hoe, yeah. And I only fuck with rich hoe, yeah. White hoe, yeah. Let's go, yeah. White hoe.
Did you know that Buffalo Wild Wings that way?
Bruh.
Did you?
Anyways.
Did you, Dad? They did throw it away. Because it was up here.
Yeah, it was right there. That's where it should have been.
But did you throw it away? You had to, because I didn't throw it away.
Anyways. It's your boy Elijah Tril back with another video. And I'm just... It's your boy Elijah Tril back with another video. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to do this like unboxing or like unbagging or whatever. It's from this clothing company called Teen Hearts. I just got a shirt or whatever. They had like these like, if you wanted to do like modeling or whatever, or if you're interested in like the kind of clothes they got, you can go to their like Instagram page where you see what like kind of clothes and like stuff they got on there for you to like buy. And then if you want to like model for them, they'll send you an email, and then in that email they'll have like a discount code for you to like get a discount on whatever stuff you buy. It's like 30% or whatever. So I just got a shirt to start off with, just something basic, and see if I like want to, you know, keep doing it or whatever. And once you get the clothing, they're gonna ask you to like, they'll have the directions in the email. It's gonna ask you to post it on your Instagram, tag them, and then if they see it, make sure the picture's clear too, like just like wear what you're like fit. But yeah, just make sure the picture's clear and they can see it. And then if they like it, they probably gonna send you another email. They're probably gonna like it on Instagram if they like it or whatever, and then like post you on their page or on their story if they like it. And then they'll probably send you another email asking you like, or telling you that you're like an official like model for them or whatever. And you can just keep buying clothes and they'll keep sending you the discount code. And that's how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'm gonna show y'all like 2 fits that I pretty much can like try the shirt on, and then yeah. So I got the shirt right here. This is how they like send it in the package or whatever. Probably gonna blur out my shit anyways. Just blur out my address or whatever, but it comes in a white bag or whatever. You can see where it says Teen Hearts Clothing. And I think they're like out of California or whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like real quick. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and open it up. I forgot the name of what this shirt is, but I think it's called Coral, like a coral wash or whatever, something. But this would look like. I think I got a large. But anyways, there goes a little tag, the Teen Hearts tag. Yeah, large. There it go. Hey, Teen Hearts. This shirt is actually dope. So I actually like it. And if you were like going to check out the website too, I forgot to say this earlier, but when you go check it out, like on their Instagram page, it's Teen Hearts. Like just type that in, Teen Hearts, it's simple, and they'll pull it up. Like it'll look like it's like mainly like female like clothing or whatever, because it's a lot of female models they have too. So at first I thought it was like just for females or whatever. So I was kind of confused, but like in their bio, it says no gender clothing, so like a male or a female, like boy or girl could wear it. So There's like a couple of stuff I saw in there like that a boy or a girl could wear. So I got this. This is like one like I can know this like a basic outfit you could throw on with like something and like some shoes or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm go ahead and about to do. Show y'all like two fits that I know like look pretty dope with. And yeah.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big sign, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. Two texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew. Church talk, I can make a brick walk. Up north, down south, bank kid the rich walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, fucking fed and his daughter. I'ma run a compound, I supply the to the rich bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the left so she gon' ride. I see the pain and show they like bras. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, cheese steaks with the fish side. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can